Hello, bros. We're gonna play Flappy Bird. Why is it up here? Let's do this. I'm gonna check if there is any sound in this thing. What? Yes. Let's do this. God damn it! I'm gonna keep moving. Nothing. God damn it! Let's do this. Do. God damn it! Let's do this. Yeah. God. God damn it! Let's do this. Yeah. Really? How's that possible? Let's do this. Really? Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn it! Let's do this. Just gotta be kidding me. Jeez. Start over again. 1, 2. Ah! Always go with the twos. No, always go with the twos. Always start at 1. One, 2, 1. It's 3. It's 3. It's 3. 1. What? Oh! Oh! 1. God damn it! 1. Ah! Really? 1. God damn it, what are you fucking me? God damn it! 1. Can I get the 3? I'm so gonna hit this game in the face. Come on, let me get the 3! Can you please let me let 2? Literally game, God, let me. Ah! Really? Flappy Bird, don't kill me. God damn it. Really? Just fucking. I freshen myself up. So let's. We'll just rest for 5 minutes. Okay, let's do this. Go! I'm jumping! Go! Just when I made it. Why? Why? Jeez. Stupid game. Let's do it. God dang it. God dang. Lose. Just keep losing. Why? Why did they put that low? Jeez. These loads. God damn it. See, this is why I don't like low. Go, 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 go. Did I mention that I'm playing on the computer? Not fun. Did I mention that? Go, 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 go. Why? 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 Why then? Why? 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 No. Sorry. Go. Damn it. Stupid game. Go. Go. Asshole with my stupid dick. To your fucking ass. Oh, finally. But that's gonna be hard to pass straight. Jeez. Let's do this. 1, 2. Go! Damn it! Great, now passing the second is easy for me. Jeez. Stupid game. This later. See? I can literally pass the second. Jeez. Really? I think I'm just gonna shut up for 5 seconds. God damn it! Yes! 4. Gee. Well, we're gonna end this episode here. Yeah, so far we're gonna do later. Yeah, it's that. It's like that. Literally, it's like that. So yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. Bye. And I'll see you guys on South Park: The Stick of Truth.